This is the Invicta 45607 model, and this is how to change and adjust the links on the watch. So as you can see, I just got it and it just doesn't fit properly. It's too loose. So how do you adjust? How do you remove these links? All right, so let's get into it. But first, let me show you the tools you're going to need. You're going to need this vise right here. You're going to need this in order to put the links back on there. And then you're going to need this. All right, now the watch does come with some extra links as well. And these are in case your watch is too tight and you need to add more links. You would do the same process. But today we're just going to do the swapping out of the links to make it fit. Now let's get to it. First thing you want to do is you want to look for these arrows on the back of the watch band. So you have 3 here. You also have 3 on this side. So wherever you want to change or remove the links. So let's just take these 2 off. All right, so let's get the arrows in that direction, and then we're going to use our device here to push out the pin. So the way you do that is you're simply going to put it in the vise. And you're just going to keep pushing until you feel it, and you're going to feel it come out. And once you do that, you can just unwind it down, and you're going to be able to see the pin on this side. So there it is. And you can just pull it out with your fingers. And just remember how it came out. So just pull it out. So this is how it came out. And you can see, let's put it to the side. Okay, so now we have removed this piece. Now we want to get rid of these 2. So let's put it back on the vise. And this time we're going to go here. Alright, so there it is. Let's just take it out. Remember, we're going to put it back in the same way it came out, so won't touch it. We'll leave it right there. And now we can easily remove the 2 links, and we're ready to make our adjustment. Now we're just going to simply add it back on here, and just remember the arrows. So there's your arrow right here. Now we're just going to take one of these. Okay, our pin is now back in. I hammered it back in with this little tool, and now we're ready to test it out, see how well it fits. So let's do that now. Okay, now it's a nice snug fit. It's perfect. And that's exactly how you remove the links. So there it is. Now you don't want to lose it. Just add it to the extra links, the bands of the watch, and you're ready to wear your watch with a perfect fit. Alright, thanks for checking this out. If you want to see more videos regarding Invicta watches, check out my link right here. Don't forget to give a comment, thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for checking this out. See you soon.